First Certificate in English (FCE) is one of the English level exams affiliated with the University of Cambridge, which is equivalent to level B2 of the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages. Its approval tests the ability to speak the English languages efficiently of society. One question: does having a Cambridge certificate really do me good? Yes. In certain situations, you will be required to demonstrate your knowledge of English. For example, in a job interview or a public competitions in which they explicitly ask for a certain level of English, or to apply for an undergrad studies or postgrad studies. And as we have said before, Cambridge certificate are internationally recognized. They will not give you any problems to validate your level of English.
What is the FC listening test like? The test has 4 sessions and takes about 40 minutes. Part 1 consists in listening to 8 recordings, each with 1 question. This contains a series of short, unrelated extracts from monologues or exchange between interacting speakers. Exactly, there is 1 multiple choice question per extract. In the part 2, that consists in listening and complete gate sentences. This is a monologue or text involving interacting speakers and lasting approximately 3 minutes, and you then need to complete 10 sentences, and you can listen the audio twice.
Hi, I am Javier, and I am going to talk about the listening part 3 and 4. The part 3 consists in 5 speakers. These 5 speakers are going to talk about different topics, and you are going to analyze and detect what are they talking about. And in the part 4, they are going to talk about 7 speakers. 7 speakers are going to make a monologue, and you are going to detect what they are talking about, and you are going to analyze what is the topic that they are going to talk.
Okay, now I'm going to give you some tips, and the first one is that you need to listen for paraphrase language, because probably you're not gonna find like the same words as in the question. So you need to understand the paraphrase of the words, and this is like expressing the same thing but with a different vocabulary, grammar, or even word order. Okay, the second tip is beware of distractors, and you need to be really careful and listen for the distractors that might appear in the middle of the recordings. And the designers put this word to make sure that you are not just choosing an option as soon as you hear a word in the listening. So you need to be really careful and listen before you put your answer. Okay, the third tip is listen for pleasure. So apart from expanding your lexis and grammar, you need to improve your overall listening skills and get used to different accents and contexts. So a way to improve your listening away from exams is to listen for pleasure. So you can try to listen for music, movies, podcasts, radio, etc. And the most important thing here is that you listen to something that you will enjoy and you consider interesting. The last tip is understanding different accents, and one of the things that students usually agree on is that some accents are easier to understand than others. So you can have a difficulty understanding some words, but you need to look into and find out about the difference and features of that particularly tricky accent.